At the core of the operation lies a series of mechanical and chemical processes designed to break down complex compounds into simpler forms. For instance, in metal refining, the equipment may use high-temperature furnaces combined with electrolysis or chemical treatments to extract pure metals from ore or scrap. Similarly, in plastic recycling, the machinery might shred, wash. Energy efficiency is a critical aspect of these systems. Modern refining equipment often incorporates renewable energy sources or heat recovery mechanisms to reduce carbon footprints. Additionally, automation plays a significant role in optimizing performance. Sensors and control systems monitor variables such as temperature, pressure, and material flow, ensuring consistent output quality while reducing human error. Moreover, data analytics enable predictive maintenance. Ultimately, the goal of this technology is not only to produce high-quality refined products, but also to contribute positively to ecological preservation. By integrating innovative solutions, environmental refining equipment helps bridge the gap between industrial development and global conservation efforts. This balance ensures that natural resources are utilized responsibly.